In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a members area on Wix with an optional loyalty program. First, open your Wix site and head into the editor. Go to wix.com and sign in to your account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to work on and click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor, where you'll build and customize the members area and everything that comes with it. Next, add the members area app. In the editor, look to the left-hand panel and click Add Apps. Use the search bar to type Members Area or Wix Members Area, then select the official app and choose Add to Site. After installation, Wix automatically creates a Members Area entry under Pages and Menu and adds a login bar to your site so visitors can log in or sign up. This gives you a ready-to-use foundation without building everything from scratch. Now review the built-in member pages. Open the Pages and Menu panel, click Members Area, and you'll see standard pages such as My Programs, My Orders, My Account, and My Events. These pages are already protected, which means only logged-in members can access them. This is useful for keeping customer information private and organizing content that's just for your community. From there, customize the members navigation to match your needs. Open any member page, like My Programs. Inside the horizontal members menu, click Manage Menu to add or remove items. You can link items to private pages you've created, as well as other Wix modules like bookings, stores, or events. Each section can have its own settings and permissions, so you control exactly what members can see and edit. Keep the menu focused and clear so members find what they need quickly. When you're happy with the setup, publish your site. Click Publish in the top right corner, then View Site. You'll see a Login or Sign Up button, often placed in the header. Visitors can register with email, Google, or Facebook. Once they sign up, they become members and gain access to the members area. To manage your community, go to your dashboard and open Settings, then Site Members, where you can view and organize all members. As a bonus, you can add a loyalty or rewards program. Back in the editor, click Add Apps, search Loyalty, select Wix Loyalty Program, and add it to your site. In the settings, name your program and points, set how points are earned, like signups, purchases, orders, or events, and create rewards such as discounts, free shipping, or gifts. Note that the loyalty program requires a premium plan or a plan that supports payments and memberships. If it shows not active, you may need to upgrade your subscription. That's how you create a members area on Wix. By adding the members area app, customizing the menu and pages, and optionally connecting a loyalty program, you can turn visitors into logged-in members with their own